morning students. Today in our class we are going to study about the predecessor and the successor and ordering of the numbers. Ordering of number is nothing but the ascending and the descending order. And about the predecessor and successor you had already studied in your previous class. It is nothing but what comes after and what comes before. So let us start with the predecessor and successor first of all.
First example, let us take the greatest 5-digit number. The number that comes just after any number is called the successor of the number, and the number that comes just before any number is called the predecessor of that number. Now to find the predecessor of the given number, that is 99,999, subtract 1 from the given number, we will get 99,998. And to find the successor of the number 99,999, add 1 to the given number, we will get 1 lakh. So from here we got the successor and the predecessor of the given number. Successor is 1 lakh and predecessor is 99,998. Now coming to the second example, it is a 7-digit number, that is 32,14,120. Now to find the predecessor of this given number, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So we will get 32,14,119. And to get the successor, we have to add 1 to the given number. So when we will add 1 to the given number, we will get 32,14,121. Now coming to our next topic of the day is ordering of the number, that is ascending and the descending order. Let us start with the ascending order first. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to the greatest, we call it as ascending order. Let us practice this by taking an example. Arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. Start with the smallest number and end with the greatest number. That is, place numbers in the increasing order of their respective values. Here, out of 4 numbers, the smallest number is 43,25,607 and the greatest number is 48,12,677. Now only 2 numbers are left, that is 46,76,007 and 48,12,214. Now it is very easy to compare both the numbers which you had already studied in the previous lesson. Now here from clearly you can identify that 46,76,007 is smaller than 48,12,214. So you can arrange them in the ascending order, and the order will be like this: 43,25,607, 46,76,007, 48,12,214 and 48,12,677. Now coming to the descending order, when we arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest, we call it as descending order. Let us practice this by taking an example. Start with the greatest number and end with the smallest number. That is, place numbers in the decreasing order of their respective values. Here, the greatest number is 87,45,710 and the smallest number is 56,01,316. Now only 2 numbers are left, that is 65,10,316 and 78,45,107. So easily you can identify that 78,45,107 is greater than 65,10,316. So the descending order will be like this: 87,45,710, 78,45,107, 65,10,316 and the last number is 56,01,316. Now coming to our last topic of the day, that is writing the greatest number and the smallest number without repeating a digit and using the given digits. Here the given digits are 6, 1, 0, 9, 3 and 5. Always remember, to get the greatest number, we arrange the given digit in the descending order, and to get the smallest number, we arrange the given digit in the ascending order. keeping in mind that we never write 0 in the extreme left position. Let us write the greatest number with the given digits. After arranging the given digit in the descending order, we will get 965,310, which is 9,65,310, which is the greatest number. And for writing the smallest number, arrange the given digit in the ascending order, keeping in mind that never start your number with 0. Start with 1. So your number will be 103569, which is 1,03,569.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all are doing your work on time. Try to do more and more practice at your home so that the concepts are clear to you. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.